How to backup images in Google Photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can backup images in Google Photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to download Google Photos. You can easily get it from your App Store or Play Store. Simply search for Google Photos, and after you search for it, simply download it. It's right here. This is the one. Download it, and after you've downloaded it, you can open it up. Now after you open it, this is the interface right here, and to start backup, tap on the top right corner or simply tap on continue here. So we'll head over to this here, scroll down till you find Google Photos settings and head over there. On the top you'll find the backup option. Head over there, and all you now need to do is toggle on this button. After you toggle on the button, you can see the backup quality. You can set that up, and you can set up cellular data if you want to, and it's that simple. And yeah, that is basically how you backup images in Google Photos. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.